Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will implement XOR and XNOR gates on LogixPro. In each rung, connect an XIC gate in series with XIO gate parallel to series connection of XIO gate and XIC gate. Repeat it 4 times. Name all these gates as A and B to avoid any confusion. From I/O simulator, turn off these specific switches like shown in the video to implement its truth table. When all placement is done, go online and then click download to PLC or just download. Now run the ladder diagram to get outputs. Observe outputs and match them with XOR gate. Now let's jump to XNOR gate. Change these XIC gate to XIO gates and vice versa, like shown here. Turn those specific switches off to match the configuration for truth table. When everything is done, go online and download it to PLC. Now run the ladder diagram to get outputs. Please subscribe to this channel if you want more tutorials like this, and give a huge thumbs up to this video.